Welcome back to PyOpt Capital. So the market view and today my P&L report. Before going to the market view, let's directly jump into my P&L report today. Okay, so I'll just go to Shunya. I'll just refresh my page, my Shunya page. If you look at my P&L report today, I captured almost 25 points. Even though my profit is 637, tax is almost 12 rupees, I believe. So if you cut off that, I think probably almost 620, 15 rupees. So it turned out to be 0.5% on my actual overall capital. But if you take my deployed capital, it closed almost 1%. I captured 1% on my deployed capital, but I usually take ROI on my actual capital. So if you take ROI on my actual capital, it turned out to be 0.5%. 0.5% is more than enough, right? So non-expiry day, if you capture 0.5%, because in a week you get around I'll get around 4 days, because I won't trade on Fridays, usually not trade on Fridays. So if you take 4 days, in one is expiry day, another 3 days you'll get. If you take at least 2 days 0.5, it turn out to be 1%. So if you lost 0.5% in another day, it turned out to be 0.5%. So in a week, 0.5% will give a backbone for your Thursday expiry. So that's my idea behind non-expiry days. Okay, so usually I'll take less risk in the non-expiry days, because it will not go to zero, right? So my agenda is to make at least 0.5%, and my target is 1%. Target I'll not decide, but my break even would be, I'll set up a system like that. My break even would be around 0.5 to 1%. So that's my overall idea when I go into trade. So I'll just refresh. Then today's my profit and loss would be 0.5%, and my profit is around 637 rupees. It is super happy day. Let's directly jump into the market view. Let's explain about the market view, how I entered the market and how I traded today, and how many stop loss hit on my trading systems. Okay, let's jump into my market view. If you look at here today, market is actually a gap down. So as soon as market opened, you can see a lot of big candles. This is a 5 minutes chart. If you can look at here, it gapped down and it crossed the day high. It is, you can look at the amount it crossed. It is 173 points rally, and again if you look at the another candle, it is down by 173 points. That means 1.5 strike up, 1.5 strike down. So that is the I mean this is common in nowadays, right? So entirely from I'm starting from February, it is like that. The market is so volatile. Actually, as soon as it crossed 173, my stop loss is hit in this particular call side. I not exactly stop loss, I adjusted one round of adjustment I did in the call side. I lost around 200 rupees, because as soon as I did one adjustment, market reversed entire thing. How many points it gained? It lost entire thing. So 163 points it is down, and then it is came down a little bit, and then VIX is, in this particular region, VIX shoot like 7%. So that's a crazy part, right? So VIX is shooting like anything, and the market is going down. That's a crazy part. So I don't know. Today the best part is, I think everyone has expected the market to go down, because even though market is going down, the VIX is shooting like anything. the put is not gaining the values. That is why it helped me to actually come back to positive side today. So it is coming down, and it is, I mean, you can easily write a line in this particular region till, I mean, if you take here 10:25 to almost here to 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, it's completely a one line graph. So I don't know. So as soon as it is, I mean, it is coming down here, it is coming down here, it is, I thought the market to be the market will broke the day low. That's why I'm worried, and I decided to exit this position at this particular region. So I decided to exit in this particular area. So I exited in this particular area. I easily captured 25 points. That is more than enough for me. So I don't want to take risk, but exactly it reversed, because put is not gaining the value. It gave me almost 35 to 40 points. So I decided to sweat off in this particular region. So in this particular region, so market, this is the market view of today's trade. So let's, I mean, in this particular non expiry day, if it crossed 0.5%, it is more than enough for me, because I easily reached 2% to 3% per month. So oh, super happy. I mean, not talking about the expiry days. Expiry days, usually my target is to capture more than 1%. So that's the thing. So I hope everyone had wonderful trading day. So that's it for today. Have a nice day.